Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Thunder Bay, local and long distance movers near me. When you want something done right, it's best to hire a professional. 3 Movers is recognized for its high quality and affordable services. We offer a wide variety of moving services in the area of Thunder Bay, Ontario. We do local, long-distance, commercial, and residential moves. Among the factors that affect the total moving, such as the distance and the number of trucks needed, the weight is the most important, and when it comes to long-distance moves, your moving company should do a weighing of your items on the truck to provide you with an accurate estimate on the final cost based on the total weight of your items. 3 Movers will perform an on-site inspection. This is the only way to get an accurate estimate on the final cost. Traditionally, the distance in a local move is less than 160 kilometers. This means that labor is a bigger factor in the cost than the driving distance. The cost will be done in an hourly price, depending on the load and unload time. This means how much needs to be moved is an important consideration in which 3 Movers will help you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thunder Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.